You are a guiding light. You are a hero that we need but don't deserve. And I appreciate all that you do for all of us out here. Quick question for you is, who are you looking to connect with right now?
So I love working with company CEOs or HR managers. Companies like really get the well-being piece, and they want to look after their staff, and they understand that their workforce are the biggest asset, and they understand that improved well-being and improved mental health of the workforce increases productivity and turnover, morale, and that kind of thing. So I love working with organizations who already get that piece, and us working together to look at how we can help and support their employees, their workforce, as I say, which are their biggest asset. So I love connecting with wonderful, fabulous people like that.
100%. And there's so many of those all over the world. And I think well-being, no matter what way you look at it, it's so important. It's so crucial. And I love how you really hone in on that for these organizations. And on that, with those people you're looking to connect with, Janine, what's the conversation you want to start with them as you move forward?
It's conversations around how do you look after your staff already, your workforce, and what do you want to do to improve that productivity and that morale even more. And, it's about really enabling that business to move forward with that. It's no coincidence that those businesses that are the most successful are the ones who look after their staff, their employees, look after their employees like they do their customers. So I love having those conversations with people like that, definitely.